Hey guys, welcome to Pen Industry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Today our topic is X-rays. So we are going with what are X-rays and what are the properties of X-rays. X-ray is defined as a weightless packets of pure energy. These are the package of pure energy. This is known as photon that are without electrical charge. They don't have electrical charges and they travel in wave. How they travel? They travel in a wave manner along a straight line. See, this is traveling in a straight line. So, they are without electrical charges and that travel in a wave along a straight line with a specific frequency and speed. They have a specific frequency as well as the speed. These are the package of pure energy without electrical charge. They travel in a wave in a straight line with specific frequency and speed. This is the definition of the X-ray. By remembering this diagram, you can write the definition that they are packets of energy, no electrical charges, travel in a straight line with a waveform with specific frequency and speed. The properties of X-rays are, first one is physical property. Physical property, what comes in physical property? That how the radiations are there, how much time it take to travel, what are the, whether they are reflected or not. These comes in physical property. What are the chemical properties? In chemical properties, whether the photons are active or not, whether they react or not in water, or whether it can destruction of fermenting power is present or not in the X-rays. These comes in chemical property. Biological property. So here comes that whether we can use X-ray for the treatment of the malignant lesion or not. Whether the X-ray is germicidal or bactericidal, whether it can treat the disease or not, it can prevent the food or not by sterilization and prevention method. And these comes under biological. What are the physiochemical property? Physiochemical properties are whether the X-ray can produce in photographic film, whether you can produce an X-ray on the photographic film or not by using the X-rays. So these are the physiochemical properties. Now we will go for physical property. This matter looks huge, but it is not so. It is very simple and interesting too. First one is these are electromagnetic radiation with wavelength between 10 Armstrong to 0.1 Armstrong. What it is? It is electromagnetic radiation with wavelength. This is with wavelength 10 Armstrong to 0.1 Armstrong. Same speed as visible light. The X-ray is having same speed as visible light having, that is 186,000 miles. 1,80,000 miles per second. It travels in a straight line as it is visible in light and it is having a same speed, so it's going to travel in a straight line with a specific wavelength and speed, as I have told you before. Show property of interference, diffraction and polarization. These are the properties of the light. What it show? It show interference, diffraction, interference, diffraction. These are the angles while entering the light, and in that diffraction and polarization. Similar to visible light. See, similar to what? Visible light. It do not require a medium for propagation. The X-ray do not require a medium for propagation. It produces electric field by right angle. What it produce? It produce a electric field right angle and magnetic field right angle to electric field. That is, if this is the electric field, then this is the right angle to electric field. This is magnetic field. This is electric field, magnetic field. Both are right angle to each other. Both are right angle to each other, like this. The electric field as well as the magnetic field. It penetrates in liquid, solid, gases. As I told you that it do not require a medium. So it penetrates into liquid, solid and gases. Degree of penetration depends upon the intensity and wavelength. How much intensity the X-ray is having and the how much wavelength it is having. Absorption. Now absorption. For absorption, it is absorbed by matter, depend upon its atomic structure. Where how the atomic structures are present inside the matter, it depends upon that. What it depends? Absorption is depend on atomic matter, atomic structure of the matter and speed. How much wavelength the X-ray is there. The wavelength of the X-ray, how the X-rays, which wavelength is coming and how the matter is present, how the atomic structure is present inside the matter. Ionizing capability. In this, X-ray interact with material, they penetrate and cause ionization. They interact with the material, they go interact with the material and causes ionization. The positive and negative charges. Fluorescence. Fluorescence is lightning, shining, that it is emitting light from inside itself. It is having that property, attenuation property, absorption property, scattering property and heating effect. Absorb, it can scatter, it can produce heat. Heat production is, as you have learned from that head tube, X-ray tube is having a heating effect. So that's why X-rays are emitting. Attenuation. Invisible to eyes. It is not visible to eyes and cannot be seen, heard or smell. It cannot be seen, heard or smell. Cannot be reflected. It is not reflected, not it is refracted as well as deflected by magnet or electrical field. By using electric field or magnet. If you have taken a magnet or electric field, so you can't deflect the or refract or reflect the X-rays. Did you get that? This is looking, it's looking very vast, but it is not so. So keep calm and watch the video carefully. First one is electromagnetic radiation, straight line, properties of interference, diffraction, polarization, do not require a medium. It is right angle to electric field of propagation and right angle to the magnetic field is right angle to the electric field. Penetration in solid liquid gases, as you know. Absorption depend upon the atomic structure of matter and wavelength. Ionizing property interact with the material, penetrate and causes ionization. Fluorescence, attenuation, absorption, scattering, heating effect. Invisible to eyes, you know, you can't see the X-rays, cannot be seen, heard or smell, cannot be refracted, deflected by magnetic or electric field. You can, if you have apply your anything, but you can't refract or diffract the X-rays. Of X-rays, it bring chemical changes in solution because X-ray produce a highly active radical OH in water. In water, it produce highly radioactive radical OH which react with a solute. If you have added a solute and you have made a solution with water, at that time the radical which produce OH and it will going to react with the solute. Color change done to several solutions. X-rays can change the color of sample. This is the example. Methylene blue get bleached. It destroys the fermenting power of the enzyme. If you are using an enzyme and you have got X-ray radiations, at that time the fermenting power of the enzyme will going to die, will be destroyed. Biological properties. In this, for treatment of malignant lesion by excitation property, here we use for malignant lesion curing. Germicidal bactericidal property, it is having a germicidal that is killing the germs, bactericidal killing the bacteria. For what? For sterilization and food preservation. Genetic effect. When the X-rays get on the genetic, at that time mutation occur of genes as well as the chromosome. If the patient is have radiation, have caught with radiation many a times, at that time the mutation of the genes and chromosome will occur and this will cause the dystrophy in the body or underdeveloped body. Somatic defects. Simple sunburn. Somatic means skin, the upper layer of your skin, the somatic cells. Simple cells. Simple sunburn can occur to severe dermatitis. In this, in somatic effects, you can go with you can caught with sunburn by X-ray radiation, and the patient can also got with severe dermatitis. They can suffer from severe dermatitis, change in the blood supply of malignancy. There may be a blood supply changes of causes the malignancy. What are the physiochemical property? Physiochemical property is physical as well as chemical property. In this, what it is, whether the X-rays can produce an image on a photographic film or not. So it is yes, it can produce an image on a photographic film. So these were the properties of X-rays. Hope you have understood. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming videos. After that, we are going to learn the X-ray head in detail. For that, press the I button. Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.